Slow-cook beef spare ribs. Braising is a method of cooking wherein the protein is cooked slowly at low heat for a long time. This method of slow cooking has been around for centuries. One of the best proteins to braise is beef. There are many cuts of beef that you can braise. A favorite cut is the spare ribs. Braising can be done in a crock pot, a Dutch oven, or in an enamel pot. Basic steps in braising: preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Season the spare ribs with some salt and freshly ground pepper. Sear all sides of the spare ribs in oil, or butter, inside an enamel pot or Dutch oven. Remove the spare ribs and set aside. Sauté the vegetables. Pour beef stock, broth, red wine or juice into the pan for deglazing. Return the spare ribs into the cooking vessel together with the aromatics. Add more cooking liquid enough to cover at least half of the spare ribs. The cooking liquid can be a combination of the following: stock, wine, juice, or plain water. Cover and place the cooking vessel in the oven. Or you can cook it on the stove top. Cook until the spare ribs are soft. Length of time depends on the toughness of the meat. Remove the cooking vessel from the oven. Strain the liquid and set aside the spare ribs and vegetables. Turn the cooking liquid into gravy or reduce it until it reaches a consistency you want to use as a sauce. Simple slow-cooked beef spare ribs recipe: prepare your spare ribs. Trim the fat off 2 pounds of beef spare ribs. Cut the spare ribs into serving sizes if necessary. Season the spare ribs with salt and pepper before dredging it with flour. Prepare the vegetables. Slice 1 large onion into quarters. Peel 2 carrots and cut it into chunks. Remove the leaves from 2 stalks of celery. Cut the celery stalks into chunks. Sear the spare ribs and vegetables. Before you start searing the meat, make sure the oven is preheating to 350 degrees. Place about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil in your enamel pot or Dutch oven. Once the olive oil is hot, place the spare ribs inside and brown all sides. Remove the spare ribs. Add the vegetables and sauté for a few minutes. Move the veggies aside. Add about 3 tablespoons of tomato paste into the center of the pot. Let this cook without stirring for a few minutes. Optional. You can also add 3 anchovy fillets at this point. Deglaze the pot and season the dish. Add about 1 1/2 cups of red wine. Scrape the browned bits found at the bottom. These bits will flavor the dish. Add some thyme and 1 tablespoon of honey. Additional salt and pepper can be added to taste. Stir well. Cook the spare ribs. Return the spare ribs into the pot. Add more red wine or beef broth to cover the ribs halfway. Once the liquid simmers, cover the pot tightly and place it in the oven. Cook for a few hours until the meat is fork tender. Slow cooking beef spare ribs is easy. Braising may take long, but the results of the wait are worth your while. The meat is both tender and flavor-packed. Enjoy.